For over 3 decades, Riggs Distributing has been the exclusive distributor of Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Cove products in Northern California, Western Nevada, and Hawaii. Riggs takes pride in providing convenience when purchasing luxury kitchen appliances. Our installation team is comprised of 24 installation specialists, 10 concierge, 3 logistics specialists, and 2 routing specialists, running a fleet of 12 trucks and vans that deliver an unrivaled experience during the final phase of your kitchen appliance journey. Finding the perfect appliance for your home or business often begins in our Bay Area showroom. We feature Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Cove products that are on display for our customers to be hands-on with the latest luxury kitchen appliances. With a personalized appointment, our showroom consultants will guide you through the appliance selection process, detail product specs, and evaluate the product's design. We bring your new kitchen to life by walking you through the entire process from start to finish. Following every appointment, we provide a summary of the material that was covered, as well as a personal introduction to a local retailer when you are ready to purchase. After you purchase your Sub-Zero, Wolf, or Cove appliance, our hand-picked specialists at Riggs Delivery and Installation provide a seamless white glove delivery experience. We are the largest factory-certified installation company in the country and the only installation company that exclusively installs the Sub-Zero Group brands. Our Bay Area, Sacramento, and Honolulu warehouses hold purchased Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Cove appliances before being delivered to our customers. With locations that are clean, climate-controlled, and well-organized, we're able to ensure the appliance that arrives at your home matches the same world-class product you saw in our showroom. It's the reason that we have the utmost confidence in offering 1 additional year of warranty when you use Riggs Delivery and Installation. Before the final step of installing your appliance, our specialists check all site conditions in your home to ensure cabinets, electrical, and plumbing meets all manufacturer specifications for a seamless installation. Our team also provides modifications to job sites on all replacement jobs at no additional charge. On installation day, we protect surfaces, install and test appliances, clean the worksite, and provide you with an overview of your appliances. Give us a call today and see why our customers have trusted us with their kitchen appliances for over 30 years. Hello experience, hello new kitchen, hello Riggs.